noise to them. Remember what peace there may be in silence, as far as possible without surrender, be on good terms with all persons. Speak your truth, quietly and clearly, and listen to others. Even to the dull and the ignorant, they too have their story. Avoid loud and aggressive persons. They are vexatious to the spirit. If you compare yourself with others, you may become patient or given, for always there will be a greater and lesser persons than yourself. Enjoy your achievements as well as your life. Keep interested in your own career. However humble, it is a real possession to dream of fortune. Exercise caution in your business affairs, for the world is full of schemes. But let us not blind to what virtue there is. Many persons strive for high ideals, and everywhere life is full of difficulties. Be yourself, especially do not dream perfection, neither resentful about love. For in the face of all arrest and disenchantment, it is as perennial as the grass. Take kindly the counsel of the years, gracefully surrendering the peace of youth. Nurture strength of spirit to shield you in sudden misfortune, but do not distress yourself